adore. I must rebuild my life with what's around. I must rebuild everything on solid ground. But in my heart of hearts, it's time to move along. Behold